Hello, magandang buhay! Today is Kuya Kia's first day of soccer team training. So, punta kami doon. Nagkataon din off si tatay. So, kasama siya papunta. So, buong pamilya ang support for today. Samahan niyo kami kung anong mangyayari ngayong araw na to. He's a bit scared daw. Pero, yun nga, sabi ko, he's gonna be fine. And, medyo anxious siya. Pero, yun nga, sana maging okay yung first day of training niya. Tagal ko nang gustong i-enroll yung eldest namin sa mga sports. He's not really into basketball or volleyball or ano pa ba ibang sports or hockey or whatever. So lately napansin ko na parang nahihilig siyang sumipa ng bola, and ayun, pag pupunta kami sa mga fields, gustong-gusto niya yung naglalaro lang kami ng soccer. So sabi ko, okay, sige, why not? Start natin kung magustuhan niya. It's gonna be exciting. Excited ako na may ma-discover siyang bagong sport. I know he's also excited, pero medyo siya, anxious. Ganun kasi talaga yung personality niya, kasi hindi niya kilala yung mga tao, yung magiging coach niya, yung magiging teammates niya. I'm excited for him kasi he's trying something new. And it's a good way na rin to overcome his shyness at yung, kasi medyo nga, ayun, nahihirapan siya to mingle with other kids, lalo na kung bagong kakilala. Kaya, yeah, this is a good way to make new friends. So, yeah, tara! Full family support. So, the field is about siguro mga less than 10 minutes away from our apartment. Kaya lakad-lakad lang. At least, maka-add ng steps natin for the day. Naka-crocs pa siya. Hindi na daw siya magpalit ng shoes. That's why Kuya is gonna learn. That's why he joined. Nice. Good job. You are so good.
I'm not.
Is it fun?
I didn't kick strong enough.
That's okay. You can practice more. Just practice and you're gonna be fine.
And also bowl.
But you did so well. Great job, Kuya. You're doing so good. Fist bump. Going. Okay, come on, go. So yung training nila is from 6 p.m. So I think it will take like 1 hour. So far 30 minutes na yung nakalipas. Ang dami na nilang nagawa. And surprisingly, yung eldest namin ay nakakasunod naman. and he's enjoying kahit papano. Kahit na medyo may konting anxiety, pero he's doing really well and I'm so proud. Usually kasi si Kiyo, medyo pinangungunahan siya minsan ng hiya, ganyan. So this is really a good way for him to overcome that. Nakakatuwa. Sobrang nakaka-happy na makita siya na nag-enjoy doing something new for him. Ang ganda ng weather. Tingnan niyo naman, oh, super green ng grass and yeah. Buti na lang nagdala ko ng sweater kasi medyo lumalamig na yung hangin. Kasi 6:30 na. Si Elise, ang aming youngest, ay nasa playground. At buti na lang sobrang daming bata kaya nag-enjoy din siya. Ayan, oh, dinaanan na ni tatay. Aww. Are you enjoying yourself in the playground? There's a lot of kids, right?
Amanda was there.
Amanda too is there?
Yeah.
Nap time for Elise. Did you enjoy? Good job, bud. Ah, what? Good job. Very good. Here. Too slow. 1, 2. So proud of you. How was it? Did you enjoy it? Tapos na ang first day training ni Kuya. Soccer training. How was it, Kuya? Amazing. Elise also enjoyed playing in the playground. Sobrang liwanag pa. Past 7 na. So, pag uwi namin, kailangan mag-prepare for bed. Kasi, pinapatulog ko sila ng maaga para enough ang time ng tulog nila at hindi sila mahirap gisingin sa umaga. Which is very challenging kasi tinan nyo naman, sobrang tirik pa ang araw. Ng gantong oras, 7:30 na ng gabi. Blackout curtain is the key. You're so pretty. So that concludes our vlog for today. You had fun, Kuya?
Yeah.
So proud of you. You were so good for a first timer. He was so good. So kita-kits ulit sa next vlog. Paalam!